To hide a section on Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for the website you want to modify. Once in the editor, locate the section you want to hide and click on it to select it. In the top toolbar, you will see a settings icon. Click on this icon to open the settings panel. In the settings panel, scroll down to the advanced section and click on it to expand the options. Here you will see a show or hide option. Click on the toggle button next to this option to hide the section. You can also use the hide on option to specify which devices you want to hide the section on, such as desktop, mobile, or tablet. Another way to hide a section is to use the display rules feature. To do this, click on the settings icon and then select display rules from the drop-down menu. In the display rules panel, you can set rules to hide the section based on various conditions, such as the user's location, language, or device type. You can also set rules to hide the section on specific pages or at specific times. When hiding a section, it is essential to consider the user experience and ensure that the hidden section does not affect the overall functionality of your website. It is also important to note that hiding a section does not delete it, and you can always unhide it later if needed. To unhide a section, follow the same steps as before, and toggle the show or hide option back to show. Best practices for hiding sections on Wix include using the display rules feature to create a personalized user experience, hiding sections that are not relevant to your target audience, and testing your website regularly to ensure that the hidden sections do not affect the overall performance of your website. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively hide sections on Wix and create a more engaging and user-friendly website for your visitors.